Happy Friday! I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute. It's Friday, June 12th, 2020. Did you know that June is home ownership month? Last year, 34% of buyers were first-time home buyers. Yay! Since my last Friday's report, overall inventory continues to be tight. There are 861 listings coming soon, 1,894 new actives, 1,006 went under contract, 1,628 new pendings, and 1,322 just closed. This reflects about an average of 1.87 months of inventory in the Baltimore area, compared to last year's 3.39 months of inventory, and the average days on the market are 15 days until sold. There are also still currently 1,674 properties that are temp off, and when those will be back on the market is anyone's guess. While May did experience its steepest year-over-year decline in closings for the past 10 years, and listing volume was off negative 31.4%, indications continue to reveal an improving market. Home sales were up 42.7% from April to May, significant because that hasn't happened over the last 10 years. May also saw a new 10-year high for attached home median sale prices, and Hartford County set a new 10-year record with prices up 7.5% and a 10-year best for May. With the record low mortgage interest rates of 3.15% in May, smart buyers remained in the market to purchase. Homes went under contract faster than they have over the past 10 years. New listings to the market rose 22.4% from April to May. And that's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 12th, 2020. I am Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to get all the updates regarding the Maryland market. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.